हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 8 चैप्टर नंबर 8 सोशल साइंस इंडिया चैलेंजेस एंड सॉल्यूशन का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है यहाँ पर। चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चन एंड राइट इट्स रिलीवेंट लेटर इन दी प्रोवाइडेड अगेंस्ट द क्वेश्चन। बॉक्स दिया है उसके अंदर। ओके, फर्स्ट नंबर है व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ इंडियाज प्रॉब्लम। तो आंसर आएगा ओवर पॉपुलेशन, मतलब सी। सेकंड नंबर, हाउ मेनी करोड़ वाज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2001 सेंसस। ए 102, मतलब 102 करोड़। थर्ड नंबर, व्हाट इज इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन इन करोड़ अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2011 सेंसेक्स। आंसर इज डी 121 crore. Fourth number, what is the increase in population of India from 2001 to 2011? Answer is B 18.14 crore. Fifth number, which factor is a major hindrance to the progress of the nation? Answer is B illiteracy. 6. What is required to understand new ideas, discoveries and knowledge? The answer is D literacy. Question number 7. Which act has been introduced and implemented to increase literacy since 2009? The answer is C RTE. 8 number, which of the following problems causes stress in common man? Answer is D flee the residential queries. 9 number, which is the other major challenges faced by our country? Answer is C poverty. 10, what is the percentage of people living below the poverty line in Gujarat? Answer is D 14.7%. 11, what is the effect of poverty on children? B, they are forced into labor. 12 number, when was the Central Anti-Corruption Bureau established? B, in 1964. Question number 13. Since when has the Indian government framed certain laws to reduce and prevent corruption? The answer is A. Since 1988. 14 number. In modern times, what was added to the burning problem of unemployment? The answer is C. Introduction of technology. 15 number, if a person above blank years willing and capable of work does not get work, she is called an unemployed person. The answer is C 18. 16, which activity is an obstacle in the progress of the nation? So the answer is B terrorism. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with proper words or numbers in the following statements. 1, the root cause of almost all problem is population explosion. Second, in 2001 the population of India was 102 crores which increased to 121 crore in 2011. Third number, illiteracy is a major factor that hinders the progress of our nation. Fourth number, literacy is required to understand new ideas, discoveries and knowledge. Fifth number, extreme condition of people living BPL forces their children into child labor. Sixth number, the Indian government implemented the Right to Education Act in the year 2009. 7 number, poverty has become a major issue of our country. 8 number, the percentage of people living below the poverty line in Gujarat is 14.7%. 9 number, due to plans like scholarships, 5 years plans, etc., education and professional treatment are easily available in India. 10 number, the dishonest and illegal behavior towards the person is known as corruption. 11 number, the government has also framed certain laws against corruption since 1988. 12 number, in modern times unemployment has increased due to latest technology. 13 number, and unemployment has increased since opportunity of work or jobs have not increased. 14 number, the price rise in basic commodity is known as inflation. 15 number, terrorism is a global problem. Question number 3, put a tick mark in the box against the following statement if they are true and a cross if they are false. Number 1, due to population explosion there is a proper progress of the nation. Wrong. Second number, Indian government has taken effective step to control population explosion. Third number, due to government awareness towards education, literacy rate is constantly rising. Right statement. Fourth number, the income of people has increased with the advent of technology and mechanical framing. True. Fifth number, inflation gets a boost due to corruption. Right. Sixth number, offering and accepting bribes both are a challenge for the people. Wrong. 7. Urban population is increasing due to unemployment. Right. 8 number, the goal of a terrorist is never of violence or giving trouble. Wrong. Question number 4. Match the pairs correctly. Write the correct number of section B in the answer section. Section A. Increase in population. तो आंसर आएगा नंबर 4 क्रिएशन ऑफ ऑल प्रॉब्लम. सेकंड सॉल्यूशन टू इलिटरेसी. तो आंसर आएगा RTE मीन्स राइट टू एजुकेशन. थर्ड नंबर सॉल्यूशन टू पॉवर्टी. तो आंसर आएगा 2 अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. फोर्थ नंबर सॉल्यूशन टू इन्फ्लेशन. तो आंसर आएगा थर्ड नंबर थ्रिफ्टी एंड प्लान लाइफस्टाइल. सेक्शन ए में है लिटरेसी, इलिटरेसी, इन्फ्लेशन, होर्डिंग, करप्शन. तो फर्स्ट इलिटरेसी में आएगा फिफ्थ नंबर मेजर फैक्टर हिंडरिंग प्रोग्रेस. सेकंड इन्फ्लेशन में आएगा थर्ड नंबर कोजिज स्ट्रेस फॉर कॉमन पीपल. थर्ड होर्डिंग में आएगा फर्स्ट नंबर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इन्फ्लेशन. फोर्थ करप्शन में आएगा सेकंड डिक्रीज इन एथिकल वैल्यूज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 सेंटेंस. First question is, what is the root causes of most of India's problem? So the root causes of almost all problems of India is overpopulation. Question number 2, what is the meaning of population explosion? So the continuous and rapid rise in population in the country for an extended period is known as population explosion. Question number 3, how is literacy useful? The use of literacy. Literacy is required to understand new ideas, discoveries, and knowledge. An educated person can effectively communicate and explain his ideas, opinions, views, and beliefs. Question number 4. What is the meaning of inflation? The increase in price of essential commodities and other necessities is known as inflation. Question number 5. Which factors are responsible for inflation? Corruption, hoarding, and population explosion, bribery, and black marketing, etc. are the factors responsible for inflation. Question number 6. Which is the best way to combat inflation? So the only way to face inflation is to practice thrift and spend sensibly by having a budget plan. Question number 7. Which is the serious problem of our country? The continuous and rapid rise in population is the serious problem of our country. Question number 8. What is meant by poverty? A situation wherein people are deprived of basic necessities like food, clothing, shelter, education, medical facilities, employment, etc. is termed as poverty. Question number 9. What is the decided criterion of poverty? So the criterion of a person's poverty is decided on the basis of purchase power and level of his her income. Question number 10. What is the percentage of people living below the poverty line in Gujarat? So the percentage of people living below the poverty line in Gujarat is 14.7%. 11 number, define corruption, or what is the meaning of corruption? So in simple terms, corruption means lack of integrity and honesty or misuse of a position for dishonest gains. In short, the immoral and illegal behavior towards a person is corruption. Question number 12. What are the forms of corruption? Giving and taking bribes or inappropriate gifts, double or under the table dealing, manipulating election, diverting money, and money laundering, etc. are some form of corruption. Question number 13. What legal steps has the government taken to control corruption? To reduce and prevent corruption, the government set up the Anti-Corruption Bureau, means ACB, in 1964. The government has also frame certain laws against corruption since 1988. 14 number. What is the function of the Anti-Corruption Bureau? So the Anti-Corruption Bureau helps people by checking and controlling corruption and by investigating the complaint of bribery it receives. Question number 15. What is the message of the Anti-Corruption Bureau? So the message of the Anti-Corruption Bureau is that accepting and offering bribe both are crimes. 16 number. Which problem arise in slum areas? Challenges related to sufficient water, housing, electricity, communication, cleanliness, health and education arise in slum areas form in cities. Other problems like antisocial activities, child labor, drug addiction, etc. are the byproduct. Question number 70. Which people fall in the category of unemployed? The people who are 18 years or above and cannot find work in spite of searching for a job fall in the category of unemployed. 18 number. What is terrorism? Terrorism is an inhuman act carried out by a certain group of people in a planned manner by resorting to bullying, killing, or torturing innocent people. They carry out these disturbingly acts to fulfill their political or religious dreams. Question number 6. Answer the following question in short. First question. Which measures have been taken by the government to eradicate illiteracy? The illiteracy is a taboo on the culture of any society. So the eradicate illiteracy, the government has declared free and compulsory education at primary level for the age group of 6 to 14 years old children. Scholarship, free midday meals, girl education, related policy like Vidyadeep scheme, residential school for tribal people, adult education program, etc. Since 2009, the Right to Education means RT Act has been introduced and implemented. Question number 2. Which problems are faced by the common people due to inflation? So the increase in price of essential commodities and other necessities known as inflation. It becomes tough for the middle class people to earn their living standard of people go down. Inflation has an adverse effect on people's health. Inflation causes stress related problem. Common man has to do without some essential commodities. Question number 3. What measures has government taken to improve the situation in slum areas? So special residential complexes, free education, pure drinking water, cleanliness, mobile van for professional medical treatment, loan to encourage cottage industries and handicraft, and nutrition foods. Question number 4. State the adverse effect of terrorism. So terrorism is a global problem and a challenge for any government. The adverse effect of terrorism are as follows. It is an obstacle in the progress of every nation. Terrorism is an evil, lowly and violent process to disturb the peace, brotherhood and unity of a nation. Terrorism creates fear in the minds of people through violence and hatred. Terrorism is an inhuman act carried out by a certain group of people in a planned manner by resorting to bullying, killing, or torturing innocent people. Terrorist activities affect the trade and business of the region where the activities take place.